Don't be intimidated by the stock market. Use these tips. You may have heard a lot about the stock market over the years, but you might not know how to get started. Trading on the stock market does have a learning curve, but the tips in this video are meant to help you with your investments, whether you are a pro or a novice. Keep watching for some tips that will help you invest well. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. Never invest too much of your capital fund in one stock. By only investing a certain percentage of your portfolio in each stock, you are protecting yourself from a devastation in case the stock does drop quickly. Familiarize yourself with past performance of each company that you contemplate investing in. Although past successes aren't definite indicators, companies that do well often also do well in the future. Profitable businesses tend to expand, making profits more possible for both the owners of the business and the investors, like you. Figure out if you want to use a brokerage to purchase stocks, or if you want to buy right from a direct investment plan or dividend reinvestment plan. If you do not think you can afford a brokerage, there are many discount brokerages available. Just be aware that some companies do not offer a direct investment plan. Use a discount brokerage rather than a full-service firm for your trading of stocks, bonds and mutual funds, and keep more of your money. Discount brokerages usually charge lower fees and commissions. There is no point in paying unnecessary fees. The only downside is that a discount brokerage will not give you advice about what to buy and sell. You must make those determinations on your own. Don't get discouraged if you make a bad trade. Everyone makes bad trades every once in a while. Instead of being upset or discouraged, take the opportunity to learn from your mistake. Why was it a bad trade? How can you learn to spot a similar bad trade in the future? Use it as a learning experience. Stocks are much more than just pieces of paper, and you need to keep this in mind. When you're buying a share, you are buying a share of the ownership in that company. Collectively, all of the shareholders own the company, and every share represents a claim on their earnings and assets. Find a reputable stockbroker. Look for a broker who specializes in the type of stocks you are looking to invest in. A good broker will be easy to contact and treats their customers equally, regardless of how much money they are investing. They can also advise you on your stock purchases, instead of simply placing orders. It doesn't matter if you are new to investing or you have traded for some time. The more you know, the more resources that you have to draw from, in order for your investments to pay off. Use the tips in this video to put you on the right path to investment riches. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthelemy MC.